Hi, welcome back to Home Style with Katie. Today I have my niece Amaya. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're going to make what? What are we making?
Play-Doh.
Homemade Play-Doh. And Cadence is just here to test out the Play-Doh.
He's our little scientist.
Yes, he is. Say hi, Cadence. Yeah, so the ingredients that we're using today is, what is that?
Food
Coloring, salt,
and some coconut oil.
flour,
And
cream of tartar.
and some oil.
Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so we're going to make our Play-Doh. So first we're going to put in 2 cups of flour. Actually, let's put it in, we're going to use this bowl last. We're going to put it straight in the pot because we're going to cook it.
Oh yeah.
Pour the flour in. And I love this recipe for Play-Doh because it's homemade and it's extra soft and squishy and it lasts for months.
Yeah, mine is still lasting, but now it's like salty because I had it like in there for like a month.
Okay, so we're going to do 3/4 a cup of salt. And we're going to do 4 tablespoons of cream of tartar. Can you say this?
Cream of tartar.
Cream of tartar, that's all. 1. Another one.
All of it?
2. Well, we need 4. What does it smell like?
It smells like cheese.
It smells like cheese. Cheddar cheese? And 4. And this is a non-toxic recipe, so
It looks like
if your child were to eat it, it'll be fine. Just a little salty. Alright,
I
and
like Play-Doh.
I thought what was cool for this recipe is that we're going to be using coconut oil, but you can use vegetable oil if you don't have any coconut. So we have 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. We'll put it down.
It looks like eggs.
Looks like eggs.
Yeah.
Okay. So we need 2 cups of water. So this is 1 cup. We'll get you a second one.
Next, I think we have to. Oh no, this looks like pancake batter.
Looks like, yes, this looks like pancake batter, huh? Alright, and then put this one in.
Because TT makes good.
2. Yeah, TT does make pancakes. Alright, so now we're going to move to the stove. So let me put that on the stove line and you can move right next to TT. So we're going to have it on a medium heat, or maybe a little high. We do need to mix it. So we're just going to stir it up until it gets lumpy. And then once it gets lumpy, I'm going to take it out and knead it into a ball. You don't mind. Well, not lumpy, but once it all starts to clean together.
It's not like doing it because it needs to like slime. You have to stir it for a long time. See, now it's more stick together. You know, because it looks like pancakes.
Pancakes. And if it's too dry, you can always add more flour and more salt.
Is it ready?
No? Is it becoming to form one big ball? No. So you'll know when it's ready is when it starts to kind of stick all together as well. But you have to keep stirring it.
It looks like pancakes.
You want to make sure that it's not too lumpy. You want it to be mixed. But it is going to start to clump together.
But it's okay because it looks like a little bit because it falls into the pot. But that's
Does it? Alright, so see how it's starting to cling?
yeah, it's starting to get like a pancake.
One big pancake?
Yeah, like a big pancake for the whole family, and you cut it into slices.
Yeah. So this is a perfect Christmas gift idea for kids.
Yeah.
Good to make.
Instead of like buying it because you don't know how old it is.
That's true. And it's something you can make with them. And like I said earlier, it lasts way longer than regular Play-Doh.
Yeah, regular Play-Doh gets all dried up. And if you even leave this one out, it doesn't get dried up. I left it out.
Sometimes we like to add cinnamon to it for a smell or lavender. But today we're just gonna leave it plain.
But it also smells good when it's plain, so it's okay if you don't have it.
So see how it's starting to mash together?
Did you put flour?
We did.
But we didn't put food coloring.
Now we're gonna do the food coloring last. We're gonna divide the balls into 4
Now
little balls.
it looks like now it's good.
Yeah, now it's becoming Play-Doh.
Now it's big.
Kind of looks like mashed potatoes.
But how about this flour?
Alright, so when it starts to get really hard, that's when we're going to take it out and we're going to knead it. You know? Alright, so we put it in the bowl and now we're just going to start kneading it. And if you notice, it's starting to become Play-Doh.
This is how Play-Doh looks, because you can make it like this, or you can put food coloring. We decided to put food coloring because it looks really plain. But if you want it to be colors, you can put white, like you can leave it like that. Or if you want it to be different colors, you can choose.
Alright, so looks like it's all ready. It's nice and squishy. Mind you, going to touch it a little bit. It's a little warm. Does it feel like Play-Doh?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
It smells like cadence.
It smells like cadence.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to break it up into 4 parts. And then we're going to add the color. Colors that we could choose from.
I want different.
Okay. Put it inside. We're gonna use Saran wrap. Okay,
That was too much.
those are big drops. That's okay. It's just gonna be really dark. We're gonna close it up and we're gonna try it this way.
It looks like slush.
We're gonna try to mix it inside the bag, which might just work out. You can use a Ziploc bag. If you don't want, you know, dye on your hands.
Love it.
Take your finger first and don't squeeze it so hard. Put the food color inside.
Just a little bit, right?
Just do 4 drops. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, you did 5. You want to do green and Alright, so keep mixing. Look, it's like a cool marble.
Yeah, and this one is like a red orange, but now it's yellow. It's like a sunny.
So yeah, you just want to mix it until it's nicely blended. And the food coloring actually is not so bad on your hands. Is it on your fingers? No? Alright.
Just this is how you do it.
That's how you switch to Play-Doh? Alright, so it's gonna take a little while. Little hands are doing it, but it's a good project to do with your family, the
Sometimes
kids.
it sounds like
niece.
we dropped a big piece. You see, it's not working.
Just squish it, Mike.
Like this?
Yeah, like I'm doing.
Oh.
So it looks like the Play-Doh's finished. Is it ready?
Yes.
How can you tell it's ready?
Because you can chance.
Did you have fun making the Play-Doh?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, so that concludes our video.
Looks like a face.
Looks like a face. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the video, and
Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
and if you let me know in the comments if you want to see her another video. She loves doing crafts. Well, happy holidays and we'll see you later. Bye.